some of the things that we've been tracking with our customers is some incredible statistics. Overall, 53% cost savings on travel and site visits. And this is on average. We're actually seeing even higher in some cases. We have one chain, for example, that decided to adopt Matterport and have us conduct all of their scans so that they have an archive now, a 3D digital twin archive of all of their properties that they're considering for new unit growth. Well, what that's done is that's really freed up the time of their inspectors, albeit their inspectors did adapt to conducting PIPs from a scan as opposed to walking through a property. But as many of us know, in new unit growth, there's many visits to a hotel. So it's about reducing those counts of visits.